Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a beautiful lesson. Taravaha Satpurushaha. What does mean by Taravaha? Taravaha means trees. Satpurushaha. What does mean by Satpurushaha? Satpurushaha means great persons. Okay. In our life, we see some great personalities, right? Likewise, trees are also great personalities. Why? I will explain you. Listen here, children. See the picture. First, I will read the paragraph, children. Then, I will explain you the meaning. Listen. Taravaha asmakam अमूल्य कोशः वयं तरून् आरोपयामः रक्षामः च तरुभिः धरायां जीवनम् अस्ति तरुभिः वयं जीवामः तरुभ्यः फलं पत्रं छायां काष्ठं शुद्धवायुं च सर्वं विन्दामः तरवः अस्मान् रक्षन्ति अतः तरूणां रक्षणम् अस्माकं कर्तव्यम् अस्ति तरूणां जीवनं परोपकाराय अस्ति तरुषु विविधाः जीवाः वसन्ति यथा मूले सर्पाः पिपीलिकाः च शिखरे वानराः शाखासु खगाः पत्रेषु कीटाः पुष्पेषु च भ्रमराः वसन्ति हे तरवः यूयं धन्याः स्थ यूयं सत्पुरुषाः स्थ इदं अपि ज्ञायताम् छायामन्यस्य कुर्वन्ति तिष्ठन्ति स्वयमातपे फलान्यपि परार्थाय वृक्षाः सत्पुरुषा इव. Okay, children. Now I will explain you the meaning. Listen here, children. Taravaha asmakam amulya koshaha. What does mean by taravaha? Taravaha means trees. Okay. Asmakam. Asmakam means our. Okay. Then Amulya Koshaha. What does it mean by Amulya Koshaha? Amulya Koshaha means treasure. Okay. Listen here. Amulya Koshaha. Treasure. Okay, children. So what is the meaning you are getting? Trees are a treasure. Trees are treasure for us. Okay, children. Then, Vayam Tarun Aropayamaha. What is by Aropayamaha? Aropayamaha means to plant. Okay. Vayam means we. We have to plant trees. Why? Listen here. Vayam Tarun Aropayamaha. We have to plant trees and also Rakshamaha cha. We have to protect trees. We should not cut trees. Okay, children? Why? Because Tarubhihi dharayam jivanam asti. We are living in this earth, right? With the help of the trees, we are getting oxygen. Because of that only we are living, right, in this earth. Because of this reason, we have to protect the trees. We have to plant more and more trees in this earth. Okay, listen here. Dhara. What does it mean by dhara? Dhara means earth. In this earth, Jivanam. Jivanam means our life. Because of the help of the trees, we are living in this earth. Okay, then Tarubhihi Vayam Jivamaha. Vayam means we all. We all are living in this world, in this earth, with the help of the trees. Okay, children? Tarubhihi means tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. What is the meaning of tritiya vibhakti? By and with. Okay, so you have to take with the help of the trees. Tarubhihi means with the help of the trees. Okay, tritiya bahuvachanam. Okay, taru shabdaha ukarantaha pumlingaha. Okay, you take the word taru. See here, taru, right? The word taru ending with the vowel u. That's why we are saying ukarantaha. The word taru ends with the vowel u. Okay, children. Taruhu taru taravaha, tarum taru tarun, taruna tarubhyam tarubhi. So tritiya vibhakti bahuvachanam. Third case plural. Okay, children. Then tarubhyaha phalam patram chayam kashtam shuddha vayum cha sarvam vindamaha. What the tree is giving to us? The tree is giving phalam. What does it mean phalam? Phalam means fruits. Okay, we are getting fruits from the trees, right? Then patram. What does it mean patram? Patram means leaf. We are getting the leaf from the tree. Then chayam. What does it mean chaya? Chaya means shadow. Where we are getting shadow? From the tree, right? Then kashtam. Kashtam means wood. Okay, we are firing wood, right? Because of the help of the tree, we are getting the wood. Okay, children. Then kashtam shuddha vayum. I already told you we are getting oxygen from the tree, right? Shuddha vayu means oxygen. Okay, then see here, shuddha vayu, oxygen. Then sarvam vindamaha. Not only that, the trees are giving more than this. The tree is giving more things to us. Okay, children. Then taravaha asman rakshanti. Listen. Actually, why we have to save the trees? Because trees are saving us. That's why we have to save the trees. Listen here. Taravaha asman rakshanti. Trees are saving us. Because of this reason, ataha tarunam rakshanam asmakam kartavyam. So we should protect the tree. We should save the tree. Okay, children? Then kartavyam. What means kartavyam? Kartavyam means you have to do. You ought to do. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to save the trees. Why? Because the trees are saving us. Okay, then tarunam jivanam paropakaraya asti. What is paropakaram? Paropakaram means the trees are always helping others. You just take a mango tree. Will the mango tree eat the mango? No, we are eating. Will the mango tree takes its own wood? No, we are taking. Right? So, sarvam paropakaraya yachati. What does it mean by that? The tree is giving everything to others, not for itself. Okay, then listen. Tarunam jivanam paropakaraya asti. It is helping others. Okay, then likewise. Tarushu vividhaha jivaha vasanti. You just take a tree. In a tree, so many creatures are living, right? How? Listen here. Yatha mule sarpaha. What does it mean mule? Mule means in the root. Okay, in Tamil we say ver pagudi. In the root side, the snakes are living, right? Snakes are making some hole and living, right? See here, sarpaha. Sarpaha means snakes. Okay, so in the root, snakes are living. Likewise, pipilikaha cha. What does it mean pipilikaha? Pipilikaha means ants. Ants are living in the root of the trees. Okay, likewise, Shikhare Vanaraha. On the top of the tree, the monkeys are living. So the monkeys are living on the top of the tree. The snakes and the ants are living under the tree, in the root of the tree. Okay, then Shakhasu Khagaha. What do you mean Shakhasu? Shakha means branch. Okay, the birds are building a nest in the branch and living, right? That's why they have given Shakhasu Khagaha. Then Patreshu Kitaha. You take a leaf from a tree. In that leaf, so many insects are living. Okay, do you agree or not? So, see here, Kitaha. What do you mean Kitaha? Kitaha means insects. Okay, children. So, listen here. Tarushu vividhaha jivaha vasanti. So many various creatures are living in the tree. How? Listen. Yatha mule sarpaha. In the root, snakes and ants are living. Then, shikhare vanaraha. On the top of the tree, monkeys are living. Then, shakhasu khagaha. Birds are living in the branches. At last, Patreshu Kitaha. Patreshu Kitaha means in the leaves so many insects are living. Then Pushpeshu Bhramaraha Vasanti. What does it mean by Pushpam? Pushpam means flowers. In flower, who is getting nectar? Who is getting nectar from the flower? Honey bees are getting nectar from the flower. So listen, trees, flowers are also helping others. Helping a creature, right? Which creature? The honeybee. Okay, so honeybee is getting nectar from the flower. Okay, then Pushpeshu cha Bhramaraha. Bhramaraha means honeybees. Okay, Vasanti means to live. Okay, then He Taravaha. The author is saying, oh my dear tree, you yam dhanyahasta. You are the thankful person in this world. We have to thank every day. Okay, then you am satpurushahasta. You are like the great personality. What the great personality will do? The great personality will give everything to others. Their knowledge, their wealth, everything they will give to others, right? Likewise, the trees are also doing, right? So that only the author is comparing the trees with the great personalities. Okay, listen. Yuyam satpurushaha stha. Okay. Idam api nyayatam. What does it mean by idam api nyayatam? Idam api nyayatam. That means you have to learn this also. Which one? Chayam anyasya kurvanti. Anyasya means for others. Chayam, the trees are giving shadow to others. Chayam anyasya kurvanti. But the tree is standing in the sunlight, not in the shadow, right? So the trees are giving shadow to others. The tree is standing in the light, okay, the sunlight. Then tishtanti swayam atape. Atape means in the sunlight. Tishtanti means the trees are standing in the sunlight. But the trees are giving shadow to others. Then phalanyapi pararthaya. What does it mean phalani? Phalani means fruits. The trees giving the fruits to others. The trees are not taking a single fruit for itself. Okay, then vrikshaha satpurushaha iva. What does it mean by giver? Eva means like. Okay, so that only the author is comparing the trees with the great scholars, great personalities. Okay, did you understand this lesson, children? Good. Thank you so much. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.